Hello, and welcome to the introduction of cSmobile, the powerful mobile version of our fiber management software cableScout. The app has been specially developed for fiber optic network operators whose field staff and service providers need up-to-date and easy-to-understand network information. cSmobile is very easy to use, so no training is required, and is of course available as a native app for all three operating systems. cSmobile offers you the great advantage of having all the essential fiber optic network data and the corresponding map material directly at your fingertips and completely offline. This means you do not need an active server or internet connection to view the network data, as you only need to connect to the server when new or updated network data is to be imported or you want to upload redlinings to the portal. Your fiber optic network is displayed in the mobile version, as in the parent system cableScout, in the correct position and in the same design. All important details and overviews of buildings, ducts, microducts, cables, connections, signals, racks and components used are included in the system. The mobile version reliably provides you with all the information you need to efficiently manage and quickly troubleshoot the fiber optic network. The system allows you to integrate different types of map material. On these maps, buildings, trenches, ducts and cables are displayed in the correct position or with the exact route. A special filter function allows the user to show or hide the different layers as required. Various search options allow you to quickly find the information you need. For example, you can quickly identify a cable and its route either by entering the cable number or by searching the map. For an initial overview, cable statistics can be displayed, giving you information such as the number of free or occupied fibers, the utilization, and the start and end of the selected cable. If you need more detailed information about the cable, you can open the schematic plan, as in cableScout. This shows you the corresponding fibers of the selected cable, the connections, and the allocated signals in an end-to-end display. In the event of a network fault, a so-called fiber measurement can also be started from the schematic plan. The measured value of an OTDR device can be entered on the corresponding fiber, allowing the fault position to be localized on the map. If desired, the user can use the navigation function to navigate directly to the relevant fault location. With the help of this localization function, you are able to react immediately to faults without having to go to the office for further information, which saves a lot of time and helps to avoid possible contractual penalties. The duct infrastructure of the network is displayed hierarchically in cSmobile, just like in reality, which means that the topmost visible object is always the trench, which then contains ducts and microducts in which the cables are laid. In order to visualize these object relationships and gain a deeper understanding of the data, the software offers various views, such as the tree view or the longitudinal section of a selected trench. Here too, the respective colors of the ducts or microducts and the hierarchy are immediately visible. This means that the network structure can be recognized at a glance and is also for new employees easy to understand. A special highlight of cSmobile is the visualization of buildings and the technology installed in them, meaning the equipment. A click on the building immediately provides information about the type of building and its address. You can also see directly whether the object already exists or whether it has only been planned to date. When you open the building, which can also be a manhole or a street distributor, you get a direct overview of the floors, rooms and racks or splice closures it contains. When you open a rack, you as the user receive a comprehensive overview of the installed active and passive components. At port level, you can immediately see whether the ports are free, occupied or switched. You also have direct access to the patch connections within a rack and the cable connections leading out of the building. A particularly useful function at rack level is the so-called redlining option. This allows you to add comments to each network object in the form of text, speech, or images. If, for example, a discrepancy is discovered in the documentation of the connections, this can be recorded accordingly and then corrected in the cableScout data. I hope that this video has given you a good initial overview of the cSmobile system. Please do not hesitate to contact us for a detailed and interactive live presentation of our mobile version. We look forward to hearing from you and are eager to hear your questions and suggestions. That's it from my side for now. I very much hope to see you again in another video, where we'll have more insights and updates for you. Until then, all the best and goodbye.